Hi, my name is Tim Owens, and I am a digital filmmaking and video production instructor at F.I.R.S.T Institute. Art has been in my family for years. I was surrounded around music as a child, and I was always kind of inspired by music videos and film. Jaws and Alien and all the sci-fi, Star Wars and all the big ones. But I think the moment I picked up that video camera was when it all clicked. Decided to go to school for radio, TV communications. And really, I got to see how the inner workings of live video production, what you could do in a controlled environment, is what really inspired me. And then we moved up. I moved up into music video production. I started teaming up with NCAA sports, doing women's lacrosse, men's lacrosse, Ivy League basketball. When I first moved down to Orlando, I was looking for work, and I really wanted something more steady. There's a part of me that really enjoys teaching, and I guess I didn't really know how much I enjoyed it until I started working here at F.I.R.S.T. The curriculum, I believe, is just the starting point. A lot of the stuff that we teach here at the school, it's principle-based, it's process-based, but when you're on a set, there are things that you can't teach. It's only things that you can learn when you're on set. This course is going to help you learn how to work together as a team. And I think there's something about learning how to work as a team with other people and with your peers. If you want to come to a school that from day one encourages you to work together with other individuals, with a leader in that classroom, I would encourage anybody to come to F.I.R.S.T because you have opportunities given to you. Some larger schools, it's expected for you to kind of find these things out on your own. And a lot of us as creatives, we kind of stumble and we need people to help us find our path. And here at F.I.R.S.T, there are plenty of people in these classrooms that will help you find your path. These students inspire me. I don't think they realize the impact that they have on my life. They are the reason why I do what I do. When I'm finding out that you're learning something that I taught you, and you're not only taking that, but you're able to do something else better than I could ever imagine, that's really inspiring. After they graduate, I get bombarded with questions, on social media or my personal phone, even references. I have spoken for many students looking for work because I believe in them. I really do believe in them. When they graduate, they have accomplished so much, and it's enough to get a foot in the door in the industry. There's really no words to describe it. It's pretty amazing. It's pretty amazing.